Okay guys, so today we're going to be talking about this flexible arm ring light, phone holder, and microphone holder that I purchased on Amazon. It looks just like this, so if you would like me to get into details and show you how it works, then just keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to turn my phone the other way so you can actually see it better. It comes with this, which is a separate slide-off base, so you can slide this out. I can't do it with one hand, but this slides out. So if you want a smaller base, but a bit less sturdy and less heavy, you have that. But this is very heavy, very secure. It's not going to topple over, which I really like. You have power, you have mode, and you have brightness. Then on the stand, you have the microphone holder, which I don't have a microphone. I just have like a little collar microphone that I clip on. Has your phone holder, which expands pretty far. I can put my iPhone 7 with a case on here with no problems. And then up here is your ring light, and as you can see, they all have bendy arms. You can turn this horizontal or vertical, which is nice if you want to take videos up and down or sideways, which is awesome. This can be moved all around if you want it right next to your phone. That's great. So let me insert a clip here of the different brightness options so that you can kind of see what color temperatures and brightness options you have. Okay, so I just have one light on back there. So this is before I even turn on my ring light. So this is before anything, so let me go through the different light cycles with you. Okay, let me turn that off so I can show you what it does. Okay, this is the lowest setting on the kind of cool white natural light setting. I will bring the light up and show you what it can do. And that is the brightest that the cool light will go. As you can see, it's very bright, very illuminating. My background is pretty well lit. My face is pretty well lit. So this is mode number 1. Mode number 2, which is definitely the warmest of the 3. This is the brightest setting. So now let me show you what it looks like dimmed all the way down. And this is the lowest of the warm setting for the ring light. It's enough to kind of add like an at night look or like a moon glow, so to speak. If you were filming at night, this is kind of what you would have. So probably not enough to film a full video. Now let me show you mode 3, which is kind of like a combination of the cool and warm, so probably the most natural. This is the lowest setting, and let me bring it all the way up for you. It gets very, very bright, like so bright that you can't even look directly in the ring light. So this is how bright it can get on setting number 3. You can kind of see everything in the background's pretty well lit. There's not really that many shadows here. And this is with one light source. I don't have any other light on the side anywhere else turned on right now. So those are the 3 settings for this particular ring light. Hope that helps. I hope you guys found that demonstration of the different light settings helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and as always, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.